Hello friends, today I am going to start the topic about Dalhousie's policy of annexation. Earlier we have studied about policy of expansion by Wellesley. So this is, as per the understanding, is a second part of expansion of the British rule in India. There are different policies as per the time and situation Britishers adapted, and here they adapted the policy to expand their power in India. So here I am going to discuss about policy of annexation by Britishers in India adapted in time of Dalhousie. So understand this. Now let us discuss the main aspect of policy of annexation. Annexation means control and reduced the power of princely states and merge the British power, merge the princely states of India in the British company's rule. So the policy of annexation is actually a policy to control the Indian kings and their kingdoms. Let us continue about it. So first you understand that policy of annexation is adopted, in other words, by Wellesley, and now in the same word as the annexing the kingdom. See, earlier Wellesley was also annexing the power. So they were deducting the power. Annexing means deducting the power, and today they are deducting the power in their own way, and they try to control the British rule. Try to control the Indian kings and their kingdoms. So the states were, earlier we have studied that, accepting the subsidiary alliance system, and due to the subsidiary alliance system they were losing their control because they had no army. Now here you understand that Britishers were eventually and gradually establishing their control over Indian kings. So the basic outcome of the conspiracy of British rule was to control the Indian kings and their kingdom. So here I could say that the Indian kings was actually trapped by the Britishers, and under the trap they were losing their control. So the kings were brought by different policies. If we want to understand the expansion policy of Britishers, different governor generals had followed different way of controlling process. The first we have studied subsidiary alliance system. Now we are discussing annexation policy. Also they used some liberal policies also, and their well-known policies divide and rule. So as per the time and situation, Britishers adopted different policies. The Indian rulers were started to come under the British control by different way to annex them. Okay, here I am explaining the 5 ways. The first is annexing the state by defeating in war. Means first they defeat the kingdom, and they brought in their control. So these are the steps. If you are being defeated, you will have to obey order of the victorious power. So in the same way, the Britishers had followed the step to destroy the freedom of the kingdom by defeating in war. And under the war, they defeated two kingdoms. Myanmar, today we are saying the Myanmar, and earlier it was said as Burma or the Brahmadesh. The another in the Myanmar there was a Pegu region. Pegu region was defeated by them, and it was bound to follow the rules. Right? The next way of defeating them is not accepting their request to accept someone as, not accept the request to appoint any someone's son or daughter in the post of their own heir or the successor. So remember, the kings had, if adopted any relative's son in the place of his own son and declare him as his successor, they will be disallowed by Britishers, because Britishers were using only one rule, that accept the natural son or daughter on their successor's place. Otherwise, they will be defeated, and they were bound to lose their power, and the power was merged. This was the policy. So this was the second way, by not accepting adopted son in their successor's place. And if the king may die without his own natural successor, then his power may be annexed and merged with the British power. This was the policy. In this situation, Satara, Jhansi, Jodhpur, Nagpur had lost their kingdoms. Now, here we have discussed about main two policies. The third one was that the kings were unable to maintain their kingdom, so they may be annexed by the reason of anarchy. Anarchy means the disturbance in your kingdom, you will be annexed. This policy is considered as annexed by